What's up, YouTube? Jordan here today. I went to my local Dollar Tree and they had these special packs, free cards for $1 since it's a Dollar Tree. So I got 11. So let's crack them open. Alright, first pack. You got Strike Slash. Not bad. Some cards from Tactical Evolution. Not bad. Pretty cool. Alright, second pack. Alright. So you got Venom Boa, Venom Snake, and Venom Swan. Pretty cool. Alright. Third pack. Priceless Larva, Venom Burn, and Venom Serpent. There's a lot of Venom cards. Alright, fourth pack. Venom, Swamp, Priceless. Ooh, good card. Counter. That's good. Still used. Still kind of used today. Not really. If you guys don't know what it does, it is negate the activation of a counter trap card and destroy it. Still pretty good. Okay, so that was our fourth pack. Sorry. Some of these cards are packs that they make. It's pretty hard to open. Okay. So, fifth, Ritual Raven. Pretty cool. Oh, we got Neo Spacing Marine Dolphin. Cool. I'm gonna put like the cards I like right there. They're still pretty good. Okay. Six pack, I believe. The first of Neos, Volcanic Rat. Kinda weird. And Gravitic Orb. Gravitic Orb isn't that bad. Okay, Volcanic Rat again. Snake Whistle. Oh, Pajama Night. Pretty cool. Could probably start making their pajamas, isn't it? Okay, Creature Seizure. Alien Shock Trooper, and our first one to use again. Okay, Alien Shock Trooper is pretty cool. Okay, so we have 3 more packs to go. I'm sorry guys, it's taking so damn long. These packs are super, hard to open. Okay, Broken Bamboo Sword, Cocoon Rebirth, and Keen Pyram. He actually looks pretty cool. Level 5, 1500 attack and defense. Ah, once per turn, you can... Oh, so it's like you can normal summon it. Then when you do normal summon it, you can deflect 1,000 damage to your opponent. Not bad. Pretty good. Okay, 2 packs left to go. Okay, so we got place Fettin Swamps. Weird. Chrysler's Chicky. And another King Param. I like him. He was white green too. Okay, last pack. Alright. A1 Shock Trigger. Venom Serpent. And Volcanic Grass. So, yeah, ain't that bad. I got them for the Dollar Tree. You know, not so bad. You know, still like pretty much tackle evolution stuff. So yeah, like nothing major. Let's see how many Fettin cards we got. Like snake stuff. Pretty sure we got a lot. Okay, put a Venom stuff we got. Venom Bola. What's he do? Not bad. Where's Venom Snake do? That's weird. Oh, that's why. It's Venom Swamp, which is, it makes monsters lose 5 attack for each Venom counter on them. When you destroy that monster, it becomes 0. Then each place place 1 Venom counter each face-up monster. Not bad. Oh, except Venom monsters. That's cool. Venom Boa, Cobra, like that. Venom Burn. Not bad. Venom Swamp. Snake Whistle. Oh, okay, that's cool. Venom Swamp. Two set of Venom Serpents. So pretty much the Venom cards are like counters, you know, to destroy stuff. Because it's all about Swamp, I guess. We got free Volcanic Rat. It's okay. 2 Strike Slash. And we got 2 Chrysler's Chicky and 1 Larva. And we got 1 Cocoon Reverb, 1 Broken Sword, 1 Creature Seizure, 1 Ritual Raven. Ritual Raven isn't that bad for dark monsters. Broken Bamboon. Creature Seizure. Okay, that doesn't really make sense. Kind of odd effect. We got Shield Spirit, and we finally got 2 Reverse Neos. You know, like I said, like the Dollar Tree packs are like only contain 3 cards, so it's like nothing major. And for the cool stuff we got 2 King Pyron, 2 Shock Trooper, 1 Gravitech Orb, 1 Jama Knight, pretty good card, 1 Marine Dolphin. Let's read its effect, shall we? Except with necks. It's weird. Not bad. But the one thing I don't like about Neo Space Marine is that their attack is so low. And counter, pretty good card. So yeah, YouTube, that's my video for today. And like I said, I got these from the Dollar Tree. Nothing major. You just get free cards. Like they're commons, but you know, getting old stuff's pretty cool. So yeah, make sure to like, subscribe. Wait. Right, MJ Holding Company. Okay. And these are brand new. And they're located Illinois, I guess. Bedford, Illinois. So yeah, like I said, it only contains free cards down to Dollar Tree. And yeah, like I said, it's nothing major. Like, you know, it's just nice getting some old stuff. You kind of want to have enough, like a lot of fun and stuff, so pretty cool. So thanks for watching, you guys. So remember to like and subscribe and comment and rate this video. And me and Mr. Pyron are now